Do you want to help me cook?
你想帮我一起煮吗？
Do you want to help me cook? Do you want to help me cook?
Sure, what are we making?
好啊，我们要做什么？
Sure, what are we making? Sure, what are we making?
We're making noodles tonight.
我们今晚要煮面。
We're making noodles tonight. We're making noodles tonight.
That sounds tasty.
听起来很好吃。
That sounds tasty. That sounds tasty.
Can you wash the vegetables?
你可以洗蔬菜吗？
Can you wash the vegetables? Can you wash the vegetables?
Which vegetables should I wash first?
我应该先洗哪些蔬菜？
Which vegetables should I wash first? Which vegetables should I wash first?
Wash the carrots and spinach.
先洗胡萝卜和菠菜。
Wash the carrots and spinach. Wash the carrots and spinach.
Should I peel the carrot?
胡萝卜需要削皮吗？
Should I peel the carrot? Should I peel the carrot?
Yes, please peel them.
对，请削皮。
Yes, please peel them. Yes, please peel them.
I have finished washing everything.
我已经洗完全部了。
I have finished washing everything. I have finished washing everything.
Great, now chop the carrots.
很好，现在把胡萝卜切一切。
Great, now chop the carrots. Great, now chop the carrots.
How thick should I cut them?
我该切多厚？
How thick should I cut them? How thick should I cut them?
Cut them into thin slices.
把它们切成薄片。
Cut them into thin slices. Cut them into thin slices.
Do you want onions too?
要加洋葱吗？
Do you want onions too? Do you want onions too?
Yes, but only a little.
要，但只要一点点。
Yes, but only a little. Yes, but only a little.
Should I turn on the stove?
该开炉火了吗？
Should I turn on the stove? Should I turn on the stove?
Yes, turn it on low, add some oil to the pan.
好的，开小火，在锅里加点油。
Yes, turn it on low, add some oil to the pan. Yes, turn it on low, add some oil to the pan.
Is this enough oil?
这些油够吗？
Is this enough oil? Is this enough oil?
Yes, that's enough.
够了。
Yes, that's enough. Yes, that's enough.
The oil is getting hot.
油开始热了。
The oil is getting hot. The oil is getting hot.
Put the vegetables in now.
现在把蔬菜放进去。
Put the vegetables in now. Put the vegetables in now.
Should I stir them?
我要翻炒吗？
Should I stir them? Should I stir them?
Yes, stir them slowly.
要，慢慢翻炒。
Yes, stir them slowly. Yes, stir them slowly.
Can you pass me the salt?
你可以把盐递给我吗？
Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt?
Here you go.
给你。
Here you go. Here you go.
How much salt should we add?
我们要加多少盐？
How much salt should we add? How much salt should we add?
Just a small spoon.
只要1小匙。
Just a small spoon. Just a small spoon.
Do we need soy sauce?
我们需要酱油吗？
Do we need soy sauce? Do we need soy sauce?
Yes, add a little.
要，加一点。
Yes, add a little. Yes, add a little.
Do we add noodles now?
我们现在加面吗？
Do we add noodles now? Do we add noodles now?
Yes, put them in carefully.
对，小心放进去。
Yes, put them in carefully. Yes, put them in carefully.
The noodles look soft.
面条看起来软了。
The noodles look soft. The noodles look soft.
Turn off the stove, please.
请把炉子关掉。
Turn off the stove, please. Turn off the stove, please.
Okay, it's off now.
好，已经关了。
Okay, it's off now. Okay, it's off now.
Let's put the food on plates.
我们把食物装到盘子里吧。
Let's put the food on plates. Let's put the food on plates.
Which plate should we use?
我们要用哪个盘子？
Which plate should we use? Which plate should we use?
Use the big white plates.
用大的白盘子。
Use the big white plates. Use the big white plates.
I'll bring the forks.
我去拿叉子。
I'll bring the forks. I'll bring the forks.
I'll bring some water.
我去倒水。
I'll bring some water. I'll bring some water.
The meal looks wonderful.
这餐看起来真棒。
The meal looks wonderful. The meal looks wonderful.
Thanks for cooking with me.
谢谢你陪我下厨。
Thanks for cooking with me. Thanks for cooking with me.
It was fun cooking together.
一起煮真开心。
It was fun cooking together. It was fun cooking together.